Tired of your same old wardrobe? Want to dress like your favorite K-pop idols, turning heads wherever you go, always looking ready for a fashion show, setting new trends, and looking effortlessly cool and stylish without even trying? But don't know where to start? Watch me turn your everyday clothes into K-pop superstar outfits. From this to this, with just a few simple tips. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the basics. The K-pop idol fashion style can be divided into 3 main categories: streetwear, classy, and basic. To dress like a K-pop idol, it's essential to understand the differences between these aesthetics, as K-pop idols love to mix and match these styles to create unique and trendy outfits. Streetwear. Streetwear is characterized by its casual and comfortable elements. This style includes oversized hoodies, graphic tees, baggy jeans, sneakers, and accessories like caps and beanies. It's about looking effortlessly cool and comfortable. This look is frequently seen on the K-pop group New Jeans. Classy. Classy style in K-pop fashion is all about elegance. This category includes tailored suits, tweed sets, blouses, and skirts. It focuses on high-quality fabrics. This look is frequently seen by K-pop idols as Wonyoung and Jennie. Basic. Basic style is the foundation of any wardrobe, focusing on simple, timeless pieces that can be easily mixed and matched. This includes plain t-shirts, jeans, simple sweaters, and basic sneakers. This style is important for every outfit because it builds the base for further styling. Step 2. Layer your clothes. K-pop idols like to layer their clothes. Have you ever worn an outfit and thought, this outfit is really bland? It probably means you didn't layer your clothes very well. If you layer your clothes, you can give your outfit more dimension. So how do you layer an outfit? You see this outfit? It has different layers. First, start with basic pieces like a plain shirt or fitted blouse. Second, add a standout middle layer, such as a lightweight jacket, oversized shirt, hoodie, or sweater. Third, finish with an outer layer like a stylish coat, leather jacket, or statement blazer. Experiment with textures, patterns, and colors to create a dynamic, visually interesting look. Step 3. Experiment with different colors. K-pop idols like wearing different colors. To dress like a K-pop idol, you need to experiment with various colors to find what complements you the most. Pastels. K-pop idols are often seen wearing pastel colors like lavender, baby pink, and baby blue. These soft shades can create a gentle and approachable look. Try pairing a pastel sweater with light denim jeans for a fresh, youthful appearance. Bold and vibrant colors, eye-catching hues such as red, blue, and pink are favorites among K-pop idols for performances and music videos. To make a statement, combine a bright top with neutral bottoms. Monochrome. Dressing in different shades of the same color can create a sleek, cohesive look. K-pop idols often use monochrome outfits to appear polished and stylish. Try wearing varying shades of beige or gray for a sophisticated ensemble. Prints. Incorporating patterns like stripes, polka dots, florals, or animal prints can add interest to your outfit. K-pop idols frequently wear prints to make their outfits pop. Start with a printed shirt or skirt and keep the rest of your outfit simple to avoid clashing. Metallics, shiny, reflective fabrics in metallic gold, silver, or other metallic colors are perfect for creating a futuristic vibe. K-pop idols often wear metallics to add glamour to their stage outfits. Add some shimmer and shine to your look with some metallic-colored fabrics. Neutral tones. Classic colors like black, white, gray, and beige are staples in any wardrobe. K-pop idols often mix and match neutral tones for a chic and timeless look. Try a white blouse with black trousers for a minimalist yet elegant outfit. Step 4. Body proportions. Understanding and dressing according to your body proportions is essential to achieving a polished look inspired by K-pop idols. Here's how you can achieve a balanced and flattering look. High-waisted bottoms, high-waisted pants, skirts, and shorts are a staple in K-pop fashion. They help elongate the legs and create a more defined waistline, giving you a taller and leaner appearance. Pair high-waisted bottoms with a crop top or tuck in your shirt to emphasize your waist. Oversized versus fitted, play with the contrast between oversized and fitted clothing. For example, if you're wearing an oversized top, pair it with fitted bottoms to avoid looking swamped in fabric. K-pop idols often mix oversized sweaters with fitted jeans for a trendy, balanced look. Accentuate your best features. Highlight your best features by choosing clothes that draw attention to them. For example, to highlight your waist, use belts or cinched waist dresses to accentuate it. Step 5. Accessories and jewelry. Accessories and jewelry are essential in K-pop fashion, helping to complete and personalize your look. K-pop idols often wear sunglasses, which can instantly elevate your appearance. Choose a style that suits your face shape and outfit. They also favor hats like trendy beanies, chic berets, or sporty caps, adding a stylish touch to their outfits. Stylish bags, such as cute mini backpacks, trendy crossbody bags, or handbags, are must-have accessories that complement their outfits. K-pop idols are often seen wearing headbands and bows, which adds glam to their outfits. Lastly, earrings. They are the cherry on top of your outfit, so choose ones that match your look. Step 6. Use Pinterest. To get the K-pop idol style, Pinterest will be your best friend. It's the perfect platform to save your favorite outfits from your K-pop idols and use them as inspiration when putting together an outfit or buying new clothes. Create boards for different idols, styles, or occasions, and pin outfits that catch your eye. By regularly browsing and saving looks you love, you'll start to understand the key elements of K-pop fashion and be able to recreate them with your own twist. Pinterest allows you to visualize your style goals and ensures you always have fresh, trendy ideas at your fingertips. Step 7. Footwear. Footwear is crucial in any outfit, and K-pop idols use shoes to make a statement. Trendy sneakers, often worn by K-pop idols, combine comfort and style with unique designs, bold colors, or interesting textures, perfect for casual outfits. Chunky boots, another staple in K-pop fashion, add edge and make legs look longer, pairing well with dresses, skirts, or jeans. For a glamorous look, K-pop idols often wear high heels like stilettos, platforms, or heeled boots to elevate their outfits and add confidence. Platform shoes, a favorite among K-pop idols, add height without discomfort, offering a trendy, youthful vibe. They also often wear casual flats like loafers, ideal for a relaxed, chic look. Step 8. Find your fashion signature. Creating a fashion signature is about developing a unique style that sets you apart, much like K-pop idols. For example, Jennie from Blackpink is known for her signature bows. Whether she's wearing casual streetwear or a glamorous red carpet gown, Jennie often includes bows in her outfits. By developing a fashion signature, you can create a look that is uniquely yours while still being inspired by K-pop style. To find your fashion signature, look at your favorite K-pop idols and note what you like about their style. Is it their color choices, accessories, or specific clothing items? Use these influences as a foundation for your signature style. You can also take inspiration from your own wardrobe. Look at the clothes you already own and identify pieces that you love and wear often. Step 9. Stay updated on trends. To master the style of K-pop idols, staying updated on fashion trends is crucial. Follow idols on social media like Instagram and TikTok for daily fashion inspiration. Watch their music videos and performances to see how they integrate the latest trends into their looks. Stay open to new trends and experiences, and be willing to adapt and refine your style over time. This keeps your look fresh and relevant, just like K-pop idols who constantly reinvent themselves. Step 10. Confidence and personalization. K-pop idols can even make the most horrendous outfits known to man look good. Why? Because they are confident. You'll never find a K-pop idol lacking, even when they are wearing a not-so-flattering look. Their confidence is the key to their looks. So try to be confident even when experimenting with new styles or trends. Personalization is also crucial. While K-pop idols follow trends, they also add their personal touch to every outfit. They stay true to themselves while experimenting with different styles, colors, and accessories that reflect their personality and mood. Be inspired by K-pop idols to explore new fashion territories, but always stay true to yourself. Remember, fashion is a powerful form of self-expression, and when you wear what makes you feel confident and authentic, you'll radiate the charismatic energy of a K-pop idol in every outfit.
Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. For more videos, click on one of the pictures on the screen.